Stony Brook, MA. On June 13, 2015 at approximately 12:39 am, transit police officers working in Area 4 received a radio call to respond to the MBTA's Stony Brook station for a report of a male causing damage to the vending machine and succeeded in knocking the machine over, causing substantial damage. Upon arrival, officers were met by an MBTA employee who provided a description and direction of flight of the offending male. Officers were able to stop the male suspect, later identified as Dayquan Hardy, 22, of Boston, at the intersection of Boylston Street and Boylston Place. Hardy violently resisted the officers' attempt to place him into custody, but was eventually subdued. Hardy was transported to Transit Police HQ for the arrest booking process. It is expected Hardy will be arraigned sometime today in West Roxbury District Court for malicious destruction of property over $250,000. During the booking process, it was discovered there were 2 warrants in existence for Hardy's arrest issued from Dorchester District Court for assault and battery on elder, disabled person, and Brighton District Court for assault and battery on a public employee.